Hello everyone, welcome to Quizzetrunk. Today we are going to play Would You Rather Extreme Edition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Would you rather walk on glass or walk on fire? Surprisingly, 60% would choose fire over glass. Next up, would you rather see your brain or see your heart? It's a split decision at 50% each. How about swimming with sharks or swimming with crocodiles? More people prefer sharks, with 55% choosing them. Would you jump from an airplane in a free fall or bungee jump off a cliff? 60% are up for the sky-high adrenaline of a free fall. Eat a bowl or a bowl of worms. Would you rather spend a night in a haunted house or a snake pit? Most would choose haunted houses at 70%. Drink sour milk or eat spoiled meat. Sour milk is the lesser evil for 80% of people. Climb Everest without oxygen or swim across the Atlantic? More people would take to the waters, with 55% choosing the swim. Be trapped in a cage with a lion or a bear. Lions seem slightly safer, chosen by 55%. Would you go to space without return or dive to the Titanic wreck? Diving wins with 60% interest. Live without heat in Antarctica or without AC in the Sahara. It's an even split at 50%. Would you rather walk through a minefield or defuse a bomb blindfolded? Defusing a bomb blindfolded, chosen by 55%. Hold your breath for 3 minutes or stand on one leg for 3 days. Holding breath seems doable for 70%. Spend 24 hours in solitary confinement or an ice bath? Solitary confinement is more bearable to 60% of people. Eat a raw onion or a whole lemon. Raw onion slightly edges out with 55%. Jump into a pool of ice or walk through fire. Ice is preferable for 65%. Fight a kangaroo or wrestle an alligator. Wrestling an alligator is more appealing to 60%. Sit on a volcano rim or hang off the side of a skyscraper. Hanging off a skyscraper draws 55%. Spend a week alone in the Amazon and subscribe. Walk barefoot on hot coals or in snow. Hot coals are less appealing. 60% would choose snow. Eat glass or swallow needles. Swallowing needles is the grim choice for 70%. Stand under a waterfall or in a tornado. waterfall is much preferred, chosen by 80%. Skydive at night or into a storm. Night skydiving seems safer, chosen by 55%. Touch a jellyfish or a stingray. Stingrays seem less daunting, with 65% willing to touch them. Explore an unknown cave alone or an abandoned asylum. Caves attract 45%, slightly less eerie than asylums. Would you rather walk on a tightrope over a city or hang glide over a volcano? Would you rather bathe in a tub of ice or stand in a steam room for an hour? Would you rather spend a night in a graveyard or in a dense forest? Comment. Would you rather eat 10 ghost peppers or comment and subscribe? Would you rather be chased by a bull or a swarm of bees? Would you rather hike through Death Valley without water or swim across a freezing lake? Would you rather spend a month without internet or a month without talking? Would you rather be locked in a room with 100 snakes or 100 tarantulas? Would you rather spend the day in 40 degree weather or in 120 degree weather? Would you rather do a solo parachute jump or a solo deep sea dive? Would you rather drink a gallon of spoiled milk or eat a plate of rotten eggs? Would you rather walk barefoot on broken glass or lay on a bed of nails? Would you rather eat a live scorpion or a live octopus? Would you rather be stranded on a desert island or in the Arctic? Would you rather face a hurricane on the shore or a blizzard in the mountains? Would you rather spend a day wearing a suit of armor or in a spacesuit? Would you rather drink only espresso shots for a day or eat only hot chili for a day? Would you rather get stuck in an elevator for 24 hours or at the top of a Ferris wheel for 24 hours? Would you rather swim with piranhas or with electric eels? Would you rather walk through a blizzard blindfolded or through a desert with no shoes? Would you rather leap between two high rooftops or dive from a high cliff into the ocean? Would you rather eat a pie filled with insects or drink a smoothie with raw fish? Would you rather live in silence for a year or in complete darkness for a month? Would you rather camp alone in a haunted house or in a shark-infested area? Subscribe. Thanks for watching.